Today we're addressing a frustrating issue that some iPhone users encounter, the dreaded green screen of death. This problem occurs when your screen suddenly breaks and turns green, often with horizontal lines running across it. It's important to note that this is not a user error, but rather a hardware issue that often arises after updating your iPhone to the latest software version. To begin troubleshooting, the first step to try is a force restart. You can do this by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and then pressing and holding the power button until you see the Apple logo appear. This simple reset can sometimes resolve display issues. If a force restart doesn't fix the problem, you might need a screen replacement, which can cost around $500. However, if your iPhone is still under warranty, you could be eligible for a free repair. In that case, it's best to reach out to Apple support, who can guide you through the process of getting your screen replaced at no cost. We hope these troubleshooting steps have helped you resolve the green screen of death and restore your display's normal colors. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.